your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, babe.
Happy birthday, Hannah. And it says 14 right there. And this is supposed to be a birthday cake. My birthday just passed. I am 14. Oh, time to open the box. And inside of the box is another box. I love the cover already. Like, inside of that box is not so this is how it looks. It has everything inside that you need to put it together. Okay, so this is the light. This is the remote, and I'm going to show you guys and tell you how this works in a little bit, so let's not focus on that. This is also a stand, so this is the portable thing that you plug into the wall. This is connected to the ring light. It's like the charger, basically. This, you stick it to the ring light to make it so your phone stands on it, you know, so you can use it without touching it. Okay. And underneath is basically this, not much. We have the stand. Okay. So you open it, basically, and I'm pretty sure that's how, as far as it can get. So this is like the first step. And then the next part, these goes together. You screw it together, and then it stands. Here, this thing, it goes up. And then you lock it here. And then there's 3 different steps to it. So you just keep going up. And this is the highest it can reach. And you have to close this. So we're going to leave it this height because you guys need to see how I'm going to do the rest. But if I was doing like a stand-up video, I'd probably put it as high, or if I was sitting somewhere higher. The next thing is the ring light itself. There's like a little hole here, a little hole, and then on top of here, there's also not a little hole, but there's a little thing here that you put it together too. Take the little hole and you stick it on this, and then here there's this, and this is what is going to help it. When it starts to get like super tight and able to move, that's basically when it's strong. Like, so that's the ring light, but that's not all. And then you have this. That's not all. You open it, and then you grip. Okay. Now it will turn, because in case you wanted to turn, like right here, the light is the other way, so I will need to turn it until it goes where it's supposed to. So just like that. But you open it, and then you put it there, and then it automatically closes and it grips your phone. And so as it grips your phone, you don't have to do anything. It's just there. And like, the next step that we're gonna take is turning it on. This is separate from this. You put it together, and then you plug it. So I'm going to plug it. I have an outlet right here. I prepared, And when it's on, the blue light will shine. You just click it. Ah, it's so bright. And it comes on. See? And you can change it. Cold. Warm. Warmer. Cold. Warm. Warmer. Cold. So basically that's the 3 mode. It comes with the remote. So before you do this step, it has to be on because it uses Bluetooth. So you go to your settings, whichever phone you have, because it uses both Android and iOS. So you go to Bluetooth and then you look for the name, because I'm pretty sure each one is different. I'm not certain, but it's the AB Shutter 3, so you just connect it. Yes. And then click pair, and then it's connected. So I guess when it's connected, the light goes off. Now that it's connected, my brother's phone is pretty small, so this is easy. And then you can turn it too. If you're doing a video, it's turn. Okay, so like I was saying, like the no hands, so turn it this on. So bright. Okay. So like I'm about to take a picture and I don't want to touch it. So you get it prepared and you just go. So I'm clicking the buttons. And as you do that, it takes the picture. So now let's look at it. See, it takes the picture for you. So that's basically that's what it does. And I'm showing you guys an example right now. Our example again. You put it on and then you record. I am standing right now. So if I wanted to use natural light, I just do this. And this is perfect for even outside if you want to do a video because it stands on its own. Like I'm hands free. This is what it looks like. I'm currently by my window. This is the light of my ring light. I'm recording this without other lights. I was using a lamp for like my other videos. But right now I'm only using my ring light. See how bright that is? Literally just from one ring light. So this is the effect of it, and I love this thing. Okay guys, well that was me unboxing my ring light, putting it together, showing you guys the different thing it does. Don't forget to leave comments and questions that you have for me, so when I do my next video or two, so I can do a Q&A. I really want to do a Q&A so you guys can know me more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!